so spiders. Six. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Banga. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a tip, bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make a tip. Kilo fe, I'm a dead sugar dead, fine, fine, no bucket dead, watch your love for like it,
We are here. Just got through TSA. We're at the gate. We board at 5. It is like 5:30, 5:40 right now, so we have a little bit of time. We might get something to eat. And yeah, this is Katie. Welcome, Katie, to the channel.
Hi.
Yes, it's gonna be fun. Should be a quick flight. We're gonna get there by 8 a.m. So party, party, party. Do you want to get a bottle? What's the first?
That's a good question. You're gonna have to show me all the good food.
Yes. So you've never been at all, like ever?
I saw this thing on TikTok that looked really good. It was like plantains and ground beef.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, are you vegan or anything?
No.
Okay, okay, yeah, period.
So
Don't be
we're
vegan in Puerto Rico.
No.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna wait here. We're approximately, like I said, 40 minutes, 30 minutes. Gonna get some food. But yeah, it's dark outside. When does the airport open? There's so many people here. TSA was smooth though. They got electronic TSAs, so you know. We didn't know what we were doing.
Right. She went first because I.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck. Okay, talk to you later. It is Apple on the inside.
Good.
Are they boarding?
This will service your finding meaningful and office office flight 1754 nonstop service to Indianapolis.
1995, gate 54, looking for Gene Allen. Gene Allen, looking for your immediately gate 34.
have it ramp side.
Okay. Hello. Hi. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you. We're going. We're going.
It looks like maybe everybody's on almost.
We're on the 737 800.
And him. 737 800.
Yeah.
They gonna let you know what plane you're on.
What did you win?
This is where I would see if my dog was getting on the bottom. Like the ramp.
Congratulations.
Your hand for me, please. Thank you.
We just looking. But we're on the plane.
I'm just trying to see if anyone's good today.
You know when you avoid eye contact with the person? You just be looking down like or coughing. Oh, that's so funny. They really do. They really do that. Okay. I think we're running out of choices now. So. Oh, but there's nobody. Possibly. Let's get it. Let's feel this heat. This is a different kind of heat, y'all. It might be hot in Florida, but Puerto Rico is a different kind of monster. Okay, gotta read the signs. At least it's in English and Spanish. I feel like you're depending on me.
I am a little bit.
All right, let's go find our bags.
Hello, we need a shuttle to pick us up from the airport.
I thought this was the. Oh.
Sorry, what was that?
We made it. We made it. We're waiting. Yes. It's not as hot as 8 in the morning, but. We just got in the van. We're headed to get the rental. We were just talking about how once we get the Airbnb, then we're gonna feel. Right now, it's a lot of anxiety because it's just the anxiety of being here by yourself. Like, We're officially leaving the airport. I'm gonna catch y'all when we probably get the rental car and we're in it, because I think the paperwork is gonna take a while. So, catch you later. We're here! It's so bright.
I'm whiter than white! I need a tan, that's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
We're here.
We got the rental.
Dang it!
We got the rental. Okay, so we don't even know where we're really going right now. She said go out, make a left.
And then just get out of here. Don't come back.
I'm gonna put the address for Pinones, and then if we see something on, it's only 12 minutes away. It's only 12 minutes away, and our Airbnb is like so that's the airport. It's like right here, the Airbnb, so it's not that bad. And this, I want to put this, no CarPlay going on. Pinones.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding you.
Pinon. Okay, great. I can't believe we're here, y'all.
I know. Pinotes! Trying to do. I said pinata.
Pinones. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna call my mom real quick and we're gonna figure out where we're going. But we're here, bitches.
A few minutes later.
All right. If y'all know me, if you are a family member watching me, you know how nervous I am right now. Okay. We're going in drive. Which way? So we're making a left and we're doing what? And I'm driving slow. I don't care. Oh my goodness.
Tell us stop by stop.
And what? It's gonna take me so long. Just let me out. Oh, I need this ticket.
Oh, yeah. So it's telling us to go right.
Okay, go right? I'm gonna go right. Because we came up right, so we can go right. I haven't seen that one-way sign.
And now it's saying to turn left over here.
Okay, so turn left over.
The stop sign.
That stop sign?
Yeah.
Jesus. Okay,
yeah, this one right
this
here.
One, turn left.
We're gonna turn left.
Okay, I can do that. I'm gonna be a pro by the end of
this. We're doing it.
There's not many people on the street. We are. You and bitches don't use blinkers.
I know. All right.
Okay, I gotta go on this. Stay on this side. We're in the fast lane. What else? Just go in the roundabout?
Yeah, we're just gonna
roundabout.
Going. Roundabout.
Follow this car.
It wants you to go to the light though, to the roundabout.
I need wait.
So we'll wait at the
Is
red
it
light.
this side or this side?
It's this side. Right here, because it looks like we're in the
Okay,
right
good.
spot. We're right in front of the light.
Oh yeah, because the light tells me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Now
No, you're good.
just don't know how to drive.
When there's different rules and different signs, it's like...
Yeah, it's a little different.
I never even did a roundabout before I moved to Florida, and I was like, what the fuck is a roundabout? I was so confused. I was like, oh my god. Okay, it's green.
Oh, goddamn. Okay, green. All right, come on. Where? Which side of the lanes?
Okay. So it says we just continue going for 4.5, and then you'll prepare to park your car. So we should see the beach.
Cool.
Okay,
It's not far at all.
That's easy.
Policia, policia.
I know.
Those are green and blue lights.
That's
It's
weird.
giving island vibes.
Yeah.
Oh, pothole.
Oh.
First pothole. And the guy who did the rental, he was like, I don't recommend you take the cars up the mountains. And I'm like, boy, we trying to go all over this island. What do you mean?
Yeah. Oh, what mountain? Yeah.
We finna
Anything
try.
real steep, I guess.
Yeah,
Right?
anything crazy. Okay, what's the speed limit?
Oh, let's see. 25.
What? That's why the car behind me.
So slow. Oh,
You got your bathing suit on?
yeah, look at that beach.
I don't know, like, would you have to pay to get in there? Maybe to park, right? Yeah. It looks like there's nobody there. Okay.
Perfect job.
I know. We could already. That's crazy. We just got off the flight and we're gonna go to the beach.
We're gonna hop on that sand.
That looks like fun. Okay. 25, Karina. 25.
25.
Let me get over in the left lane.
Where you're gonna do 25 to life.
Yeah, in Puerto Rico. That's scary. Okay, we're
Hardly been
here.
alive that long. You're literally 25.
Oh,
Navigation is currently not available
What?
due to no internet connection.
I thought that was mine. I was like, what?
Catalina.
Oh,
Oh, that is so cute. We could have took a.
Oh,
All right. It's okay. We'll come back.
This
We
is
could even
cute.
park here, take a picture there.
Yeah.
No, we can't park there. Jet skis.
Yeah. I have
We're
jet
in
skis
Puerto
also.
Rico.
Holy moly.
I want to show y'all what I'm seeing, but the camera's moving too much anyway. You'll see it later on in the vlog. This is day one.
You can see it through our eyes. Our eyes are sparkling. So we're good.
I don't want to hit no chickens.
I know, we're getting a little more country.
See,
now.
we can stop here and oh my god, this is exactly why I booked this trip. This is so
Got a little
cute.
coconut.
Aww. Okay, that wasn't bad. 12-minute drive. We're here. We already changed into our bathing suits in the airport, and we just arrived to Pinones. I can't believe we're here, y'all, to be honest. There's so many food spots. We're gonna grab food. We're gonna walk the water. We might get in the water a little bit. We don't have towels. I didn't pack towels.
I have one in my
Okay.
suitcase, so we can grab
Okay, that works. We got goggles. She could look in the water. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yay. We're here in Piñones, y'all. Look at the freaking water. The water is so clear. Ready? We don't go, we never go.
Yeah. We never go.
You know, I heard about this. I think it's because the waves are really big that they like it's rough
they
water.
block it,
Yeah.
Baby, dime la verdad. Si te olvidaste de mí, yo sé que fue una noche nada más, que no se vuelve a repetir. Tal vez en ti quise encontrar lo que en otra perdí. Tu orgullo no me quiere hablar. En entonces vamos a compartir. Ay, baby, dime la verdad. Si te olvidaste de mí, yo sé que fue una noche nada más, que no se vuelve a repetir. Tal vez en ti quise encontrar lo que en otra perdí. Orgullo no me quiere hablar, entonces vamos a compartir. Baby, dime la verdad. Baby, dime la verdad. No me gusta perder, dime qué vamos a hacer. Me paso mirando,
We're in Puerto Rico.
aunque me tarde un poco, juro que voy a responder. Quisiera volverte a ver, encima estoy brincando. Lo rico que te ves chingando. No sé qué estamos esperando, el orgullo nos está ganando. Ay, baby, dime la verdad. Si te olvidaste de mí.
We're back. She's a little red. We have the sunscreen over here. This drink is probably hot as hell, but we don't know where we're going in these. We got cars waiting on us. Where are we going? I don't know. At this point, we're just gonna drive, but a bitch can't get out of here.
Yeah, how are you gonna get out of here when that guy's there and that guy's there?
Okay, but can I leave though? Jesus. What you want me to do? Back up? I'm gonna back up. Ain't nobody coming.
And that white car is about to.
Oh, sure. This is what we
Just
talking
taking
about.
that spot again. I feel like they were fighting over your spot.
Yeah.
It's like,
They probably were. Y'all seen it. It was really beautiful. It's hot. We're gonna go get a drink maybe. We don't know where we're going, but we're driving.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in the disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? And tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Hold you slow, just split you in half with my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. You want it, you want it. I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it. I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Take time, you know, say around whenever I see back mine. Before you come my way, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never see your eyes. I can point a gun, but you know I could never lie. Come through, I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. One day be somebody you can run through. You can put that in my life one time, no cap, big crime, slow that catch feels.
We're a little tired. The sun is draining the energy. We got mojitos.
at first I couldn't even have mine, but now I'm making it.
We're pushing through. We are pushing through.
The sun got me. Got me bad.
Bro.
Bruh. We're gonna be okay.
No, why not? And we just put sunscreen on right now. So, we're headed to Plaza de las Americas. It's one of the most known malls or whatever. So, we're headed there. And then we're gonna try to waste an hour there and then go grocery shopping for another hour, and then our Airbnb is gonna be ready. Somebody tell Airbnb to fix that. Our flight was at 8 a.m. We landed at 9 a.m.
We were at the beach for hours.
We're just
not that I hated it, I loved it.
we're just
But we're running out of
wasting
things.
time. Yes. Anyways, let's go. Okay. That shit was confusing. Okay. We just got out of the mall.
I got a hat.
She got a hat because she's burning up.
I'm burning the freaking.
And we got some cute shorts. She got some shorts.
Show them people what they want to see.
Yes, cute. There was a lot of freaking people. Oh, fuck. Listen.
You're good. Just keep it straight.
Sorry, we're trying to GPS our way through the...
We're like,
And everybody's out on the town nowadays because it is officially 2 o'clock. We're almost ready for our Airbnb, and I'm gonna take this damn exit.
I don't think you
want.
want. Yeah.
It's okay. Took the wrong exit. First wrong exit of the trip. It's okay.
2 potholes of the trip already.
2 potholes of the trip. So yeah, the Airbnb opens at 3. We'll be able to go ahead and check in. This exit?
It's 18, so the next one.
The next exit.
Yes.
And we're just headed to the grocery store right now because we need to get some food so that way we're not spending too much money. I don't understand these signs.
Now it's 17, so we're taking this one. I thought it said 18 before, but maybe it switched.
Where's the number you're seeing 17 on? Oh, road 17. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah,
Road
there
17.
you go. Yeah, I was like,
I'm
where
looking
did
at
I
like
see it?
the number of the exit. Woo! Everybody's outside. Gotta be careful. It's Easter tomorrow. Happy Easter, everybody. It hasn't been bad actually. We're just gonna complain to Airbnb to let us in earlier.
Right.
Because that's ridiculous.
Just tired.
And if you go on your trip and your Airbnb doesn't let you in until 3 p.m. and you land early, we should be able to get in early. Like, I don't understand why nobody's complained yet to Airbnb. So write your complaint now. I'm gonna catch y'all at the grocery store. There's too much going on right now. Okay, so change of plans. Our GPS actually took us to our Airbnb. So we're here.
How do you walk it?
Where are we going?
We go to the back patio.
I'm gonna say ready to say hi to somebody.
Hi. I guess this is our little area.
Alright, it's a big patio. I think the pictures need to be updated.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Simple dimple, no problem. And then the rooms. It's super tiny.
Yeah. Might be cold in here.
Oh wow. It's cold as hell. But it's nice. It's cute.
Bathroom?
Okay. I like this mirror. It's nice fit checks. Okay, we're here. You take that one? I'll take that. Oh, fuck.
Okay. What's that? Did you step on something?
No, I hit my hand.
Darn.
Okay,
Those are
Wi-Fi.
kinda short.
It's cold as Pluto.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
62.
wear a sweater in here. We might.
62.
Yeah,
Let's bring this
do 70.
Oh, come on. 65. No, 70. 71. 71. That's the AC unit up here. Let me give you guys a quick tour before we bring everything in here. Alrighty, so we basically go through this gate over here. Okay, there's a gate over there. This is the gate we walked through, got our key, and then you basically come back around. This is our little patio area. After that, we unlock this door. So it's like basically 2 security situations. And then you come in, this is the front door here. You walk straight into the kitchen. This is what it's looking like. Okay, we were gonna go grocery shopping like I told you, so I don't know if necessarily we're gonna cook, but we're gonna make something shake. Okay, got some water, I appreciate that. I'm gonna buy some water too. I like it, it smells good in here. And so this is the room. And they got some house rules here. After that, these are the rooms. We did get a 2-bed, and yeah. Okay. I didn't even check out the bathroom, but this is the bathroom. Simple, simple, simple. This is me. We are honestly probably gonna take a nap because, you know, after the beach and everything, it's just so tiring. The sun just gets you tired. So we're gonna chill. We might go grocery shopping, we might not, but we're gonna chill. I gotta go get the stuff and help her. But other than that, I'm gonna get y'all. Happy Easter, everybody. Everybody. It is 7:33 in the morning and we're up and at 'em. We don't exactly know where we're going and we're hoping that it doesn't rain today, but we'll keep y'all in the loop.
We're ready. We're ready.
We're supposed to be hitting the Rainforest today. Currently we're gonna go to Walmart, maybe McDonald's, so I can upload the next video for y'all. And then we're gonna head straight to the waterfall. What if we were in Hawaii? Maybe. Candy, liquor. Towel. Alright, well, let's find what we need. Damn, I gotta put this seatbelt on. We're going up the mountain currently. She's driving voluntarily. I did not force her. But so far so good. There's not that many people on the road, at least. Maybe they're already here. But girl, we in the jungle, girl. We is literally going uphill. Let me show y'all.
You have to kind of
Dominoes. That's not a bad gift. Look at these. Look at this stuff. You should get this.
what is it like?
Okay, y'all. We just got out of this souvenir shop. We are literally on the mountain. Look at the mountain. It looks really beautiful here. And by the way, I just uploaded my travel prep video, so go check that out. Uploaded today on Easter. And we're gonna go right up the hill. We're gonna keep going.
So beautiful.
Let's see where we stopped at now. Look at it, y'all. Wow. We're literally in the, we're in Puerto Rico, period. I'm gonna see. Right. We're gonna go up. That's how right there. All the way to the top. How many steps do you think it is?
Oh my god. Over 50.
Definitely over 50.
There you go. I'll be in there. Come on, give me one, Ryan.
Alright, I'm gonna take a picture with my daughter.
Wait, hold on. If I get the right angle, watch out, bud. It looks like Daniel's with Ryan. She moved.
Nothing but mountains. What's your name is mountain?
She's beautiful.
Or is it all just called Airbnb?
Baby, come closer. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you know. Oh, no, no. I want to make you know. Oh, no. I want to make you dance. Oh, no, no. Girl, I want to make you know. Oh, no, no. I want to make you know. Pull over. Come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things when they make my
It's a must have, y'all. We haven't drank this whole trip actually.
He got this from my boyfriend. He won't know yet. He won't see this video, I don't think.
Quickly, ready? 1, 2. Cheers to Puerto Rico. Whoa. We're at Juan Diego Creek. People are going up the rocks, so that's where we're gonna go. People are coming down wet, so that's what we're hoping to be. But there's still more to go up. I just don't know if more to go up is gonna be more waterfalls. So, yeah, let's go. Wow. Watch your step. We changed into our water shoes, so we'll see if those work. Oh, there's a cute little pool. I think the crowds come in waves.
Yeah, they might just
This
always
is so
the same
cute.
time.
Yes, ma'am. That is so cute.
That's adorable.
Alright, you ready? I'm gonna go down there. You ready to go down there? Yes. Okay.
Nosotros que estamos pasando esta vez, eso porque eso tiene que ser muy bien ahí.
Ajá. Toda persona que suba esto.
Está bueno allá arriba, chaval.
Ah, yo no sé. Vamos a ver.
¿Nunca ha ido?
No.
Imagina que
Careful. Careful. Is it high? Okay, okay. We just had the most hardest walk to this waterfall. It was so hard. It's up, it's not a paved path, and let me show you. This is the path. You go up there, and then you go down, and then you go around, and literally there's another waterfall over there. But yeah. Is that the one? No. No, we're not there yet.
No, you're like very close to the front.
I wonder how they made this one so like smooth. Is it like the more people that go, then it smooths out?
That's what I'm thinking. It's like flattened out.
Yeah, right?
And I noticed like some of the rocks on that, even that steep one, it was like it was carved out.
Right. Exactly. From like footsteps and shit.
Yeah, like these actually look like kind of steps.
Yeah. We made it out. We're now leaving. This is the trail if y'all want to come. It's extremely is it difficult?
Wanting to go crazy. It wasn't
The
it's
beginning.
scary when you first think about it and do it, but then you do it.
You do it and then yeah. But there's like a second hidden path for like the waterfall that we were on. So just be careful going up there because it's not paved or anything. So it's definitely a risk. Wear the right shoes. But another shot is required. Oh my god. All right, so we just pulled up to El Yunque Peak. I don't think there's water, so we didn't bring the stuff. So we're just gonna go up all of these stairs. Yep. All right. Let's see how high this is. Oh, so far so good on this trip, y'all, man. I'm happy. We're getting our workouts in. It's only day 2. And we still haven't even gone to the clubs and stuff, so we got a lot more planned. Stay tuned for the video. So we were on the path, and then we seen...
I decided to go out.
And now we found this. Like, we don't know what it is. And it came from this path right here, which is also in a hut. And then we got that. I don't know what that is, but this is our view. We don't exactly know where we are. Okay, y'all, we have a question. So we kind of underestimated this hike, and this hike is approximately, honestly, to my, like an hour and 30, damn near 2-hour hike. And we've been hiking for probably an hour. It's about to be an hour.
And there's another hour.
There's another hour supposedly, because people that were coming down were asking them like how much further, and they said an hour and 5 minutes. Other people are saying 30 minutes.
Depends on how fast you walk, they say.
So our question to y'all, should we go? Should we keep going? We didn't bring no water because we didn't.
You're gonna die out here in the forest. Rainforest.
Of dehydration. I don't know, y'all. We found this bench, and this might be it. We might turn around because it's all uphill, y'all. We're going to the highest peak, so it's all uphill. It's rocky. We got water shoes on, And we just did that other trail that y'all seen, the one that was like all over the place. So, but it is only 1 p.m. and this is all we have planned for today. What else are we gonna do? We're in Puerto Rico.
We can die later, maybe. We can't die now.
Yeah, we can't die now.
Maybe.
So
I don't know, but an hour.
an hour is
We've already
so
been here an hour.
yes. So it's a 2-hour hike.
Every time they said 30 minutes, we're like, okay. I think that's.
I can do 30 minutes, but an
maybe
hour.
We just need to keep thinking it's 30 minutes.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
I just want to go around the corner and it be there already. But we keep going. Every corner we turn around, it's another trail, a longer trail, more uphill.
We talked to 2 people. They said 30 minutes. See, I think the first guy said an hour and 30 minutes.
Yeah, I think he did.
Yeah, that's why I said bye. And then you were like, no, let's go. And I was like, okay, let's go. And then the next guy, she said 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Because then we hiked another 15 at least.
Yeah. So go ahead and comment down below if we should keep going. And if you would keep going. I'm taking footage so y'all see what I was seeing. It's all uphill. So go ahead and comment down below. I think I'm going to do a poll on Instagram real quick and just see if the people...
There's going to be comments like, I went up there with my 90-year-old grandpa.
Bro, they
No,
got
I'm just
kids.
kidding.
They got kids everywhere here. They're up and down these trails like it's nothing.
They're on cliffs. Like, yeah, just passing the kid down the hill.
Yeah. All right. We'll see. In the next clip, you'll see what our decision was. We are literally warning people at this point. Don't do that trail. If you didn't notice, we turned around.
We didn't. We're driving to the highest point.
But even they said, like, it's closed. You can't see the highest point. But you can see the trail at the highest point. And this is the entrance to the trail, but it's 2-hour hike, y'all. Maybe even more. Like, I don't know. So we were thinking we were gonna try to write a little sign right there in the entrance, because the entrance doesn't say how long it is. And people think it's like easy. We ran into so many people that said, you know, she thought you could make a circle. She thought it was 30 minutes. No. But I don't think we have a pen. And if I had a marker, I'll write on it 2-hour hike, like something. Maybe I could do a Yelp review, but... Oh, these are the people. That's the lady, isn't it?
Said hi to us. All right, now I gotta try.
We're just gonna keep going up.
Minimal amount of scrapage when I get out of here.
Oh. So
wearing my Rainforest shirt.
So we just came back to the grocery store y'all seen us at earlier. We're gonna get some groceries, mainly like waters and fruits and stuff, so we can chill in the Airbnb. And then later tonight, we're probably gonna go to downtown San Juan and go eat out somewhere, get cute tonight. But that's the plan currently.
Right, onto Kaya Halcon.
Okay, right here. No, the light. No, right here.
Right here, right here.
Yeah, right here. Okay. No.
That's good. Look at you. Well, hey y'all. It is 3:17 p.m. This is about the time y'all seen us get here yesterday. But we're just warming up our food from yesterday. We Uber Eats when we got here. We just Uber Eats like some Spanish food. So that's what we're gonna warm up. And what we got from the grocery store, we didn't even show you. I got Pringles. We got pizza flavor and scorching cheddar flavor. And I got some cool little candy that we're gonna try in a little bit. Got these smoothies. It's mango, passion fruit, banana smoothies. Got 3 of these, 1 with beets in it. And then we got tres leche cake. Just to try it, just to see. I couldn't find a real flan. Other than that, we're good. We're just gonna chill. We're gonna go to dinner later, but like I said, it's 3, so around like 6:37, we're gonna go eat again. Hey y'all. So we just got up from our little nap, by the grace of gosh. It is 7:53 and we're headed to the Tmobile district of Puerto Rico. And we're just gonna look around. Maybe eat a little something. Other than that, I'm driving and it's nighttime.
Starting route to Sazon Cocina Criolla.
It's not even that far. It's 18 minutes away. All right. Catch y'all there.
Set my alarm for 5 a.m. and then I left snuck in the bed. I know I'm only gonna be
Exit left.
life is good. Too many
No, we're in the right
nights.
lane.
Got tired of
I need you to say like 1A. Like, yeah, it's like,
funny
I
how
don't know.
9.
You left. Right? And then turn left.
At the stop sign, turn left.
Looking for a spot to get a drink. We found a good table here. I don't know if you can hear me.
He's the best. No lie.
yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we lock in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin.
We're literally in the middle of San Juan. Dun, 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 dun,
Middle of
dun.
the road in San Juan.
And it's raining. We're in San Juan. Because all the colors, all the houses are colored different colors. So during the day.
Oh yeah, it's really cooler.
This reminds me of SpongeBob. You know when he says like, San Juan at night. We're back home. We're back home. The last clip you guys seen us, we were in Old San Juan, and we're about to put Takis into the microwave that we got earlier from the grocery store, and we're about to cut it.
It's girl dinner.
Girl dinner. Girl dinner. Girl dinner. Oh, girl dinner. Taquitos. We're gonna eat that. We're gonna wake up at 8, leave the house by like 9:30, and then get to the tour by 10. Our tour is 2 hours, and then from 10 to 12. And that's it. And then we're gonna probably stay in that area, do more touristy stuff, and then we're gonna go to Humacao, which is like south of the island. We're gonna meet up with some people, but y'all see that. We're gonna go to bed. Happy day 2 in Puerto Rico. Cheers.